Let's get into this wall hanging, and all you're going to need is some wood dowels, yarn, parchment paper, paint, and a hot glue gun. So I first started off with these wood dowels, which I found at Michael's for about $3. They're just like toothpicks without the points. And the nice thing about gluing on top of parchment paper is that the hot glue peels off instantly. It doesn't stick at all. So you can glue on top of it, create shapes, and then pull them off later. So I actually created these hexagon shapes using these small wooden dowels, and I created 2 hexagons that were smaller or just like hexagon shapes themselves. And then I created a larger centerpiece that was actually 3 hexagons connected. And a cool little tip for you guys is you can actually burn down those weld points with the tip of your hot glue gun. So if you do need to like melt that down or make it look smoother or anything, if you added too much glue, use the tip to melt it down. And this is the center point right here, this like triple hexagon shape. And then all you're gonna need to do is take a bit of string, yarn, whatever you wanted to use to attach, and attach your shapes together, and you really have your brand new wall mobile hanging. And I think this would look so cool on a window, on a mirror, on a wall, anywhere you want to add a little bit of extra decor. I also forgot to mention that I actually kept it plain wood over the black paint that I was originally going to do because I liked the wood look much better.